I have reached Dhungeswari temple. I am entering in this cave where Buddha has done meditation. You can see the idol of Buddha, where he became very weak after fasting. This is their image. You can see this is the cave where Buddha had done meditation, mountain cave. This is the idol of Ma Dhungeswari. This is called Buddha, Lord Buddha. This is the cave where Buddha had done meditation. So this is the natural mountain wall, rock wall, cave wall. This is the cave wall. The idol of Buddha. This is the mountain cave, cave wall. This is the wall. This is the wall, mountain cave wall. This is the idol of Ma Dhungeswari. So, this is the cave, mountain cave where Buddha has done meditation. This is the cave. This is the mountain. This is the mountain. This is the mountain, or this is the cave. That is the cave. According to Buddhist scholar, Dhungeswari referred as pre-enlightenment site. Buddha spent 6 years in meditation at Dhungeswari before to reach the Bodhi tree. It is said that Madhyam Marg got conceived during Buddha's Dhungeswari meditation. This is the meditation site. Buddha broke up his fast here to adopt a middle approach. 5 of Buddha's devotees deserted him in protest against his giving up the fast and called him Hindi word Dhongi, pretender, not real. So Dhungeswari derived from the Hindi word Dhongi. Dhungeswari, about 20 km northeast of Gaya. Dhungeswari cave temples, also known as Mahakal caves. It is believed that Lord Buddha meditated in the 3 caves before continuing his journey to Bodh Gaya. During his self-mortification, Gautama became extremely weak and starved. At that time, named Sujata from a nearby village offered him food and water. Later, Gautama realized that one cannot attain enlightenment by self-indulgence or self-abasement. He then on with his journey and reached Bodh Gaya, where he finally attained enlightenment. यही वह स्थान है जहाँ बुद्ध भगवान ने तपस्या की थी गुफा में बैठकर, और यही पहाड़ है, पहाड़ के अंदर गुफा बना हुआ है। और यहीं वे बहुत कमज़ोर हो गए थे, जिसके बाद उन्होंने सुजाता ने उनको खीर खिलाया। यहीं माना जाता है कि उनको मध्यम मार्ग का ज्ञान मिला। और फिर यहीं से वे बोध गया गए और पीपल के वृक्ष के नीचे, बोधि वृक्ष के नीचे उन्हें ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ। यह पहाड़ी है, यहाँ इस तरह का व्यू है, सीधा व्यू। The view, main temples. This is the view. This is the view near mountain valley. The temples, the main temples on the mountain. The mountain, the valley. This side, very adult temple. You can see the surroundings of this mountain cave. Surrounding this mountain cave, the surrounding area of mountain cave. This is the mountain. This is the mountain. This is the mountain valley. This is the mountain valley. This is the other temples, main temples, mountain area. Mountain area. The caves. I have made already video of Sujatagarh. You can see on the channel Shashi Shekhar Singh. If you search Sujatagarh, you can find video of channel Shashi Shekhar Singh. This is the small temples area surrounding Dhungeshwari. In the mountains, you can see the trees, forests. This is the mountain cave. They have done meditation. Buddha done meditation. This is the area.